The key benefits of using induction technology for shrink fitting is the controllable heating pattern. You can intensify the heat or protect certain areas in the workpiece by using concentrators on the coil. When you have established the process, it's a perfect match for assembly lines where you need to repeat the sequence, knowing that you have the same temperature each time. For shrink fitting, we offer MINOC and CNOC. MINOC stands for mobile and CNOC stands for stationary. Both require water cooling. We also have a new product called Ventoc, which is a game changer. It's air-cooled and it only weighs 36 kilos, so you can imagine how easy to bring along to the work site. Our technology is perfect for shrink fitting. NREX has a very strong combination between innovation and knowledge.